Stormy Daniels' attorney, Michael Avenatti, firing off a series of tweets. He's accusing federal prosecutors of canceling a meeting with his client after it was somehow leaked to the press. The meeting was reportedly supposed to be about the investigation into President Trump's personal lawyer, Michael Cohen. Laura Ingle is live from our New York bureau with the latest on this. Laura?
Hi, Sandra. Well, we still don't know exactly why this meeting was nixed by the U.S. Attorney's Office, but according to Stormy Daniels' attorney, it was scheduled to happen here in New York today. Now, the U.S. Attorney's Office has declined our request for a comment after a series of tweets by attorney Michael Avenatti accused them of backing down after the meeting was made public. Two of his tweets read this. So, I was just informed by the U.S. Attorney's Office that they are canceling the meeting tomorrow scheduled with me and my client for weeks because the press found out about the meeting and they can't handle a few cameras outside their offices. If they consider this a big deal, how will they ever bring any serious criminal charges against Cohen, let alone handle a trial in such a high-profile matter? We have bent over backwards to accommodate them. This is unheard of. We remain willing to cooperate, but something isn't right. Now, this interview was reportedly to be held in preparation for a possible grand jury appearance by Daniels in the federal investigation into President Trump's now former longtime personal lawyer, Michael Cohen, and his business dealings. We've been talking about this specifically in regard to a $130,000 payment that Cohen made to Daniels in alleged hush money to keep Daniels quiet about a sexual encounter she claims she had with the president before he took office. And that affair, she says, happened in 2006. The president denies this. In regard to the federal investigation, the special master in charge of deciding which seized documents of Cohen's are privileged in this matter has now designated 162 items that should be kept private and 7 that are highly personal. The Trump Organization has requested until July 11th to finish going through what they feel should be privileged. We'll keep an eye on the case and bring you the latest here.